Hello and welcome. Hope you are doing well. Let's get to it. Okay, so I've been quite busy. Built up the frame and also got all of these grinders placed down there. And there's quite a few. So I'm not sure if I have all of the material loaded, but we'll see how far we get with them. So let's get in this. I've got most of the components. Just not sure if I have enough for all of them. Never expected to build this much. So this might take quite a while. I think I'm just going to do the first 1 or 2 lines and then I'll just skip to the end and bring you back at the last bit. Because like I said, there's quite a few. But yeah, as long as it dismantles any ships really quickly, I'll be happy. Also ended up leaving one block gap there next to the wall. Hopefully it doesn't grind itself up or get damage from any ship blocks that fall down on it. But we won't know until we try. Yeah, there's a lot. Come on, get that last one. There we go. Okay, let's do the second line. Still a really good thing to have. Because if I put on my HUD over here, see off there to the right there's a cargo ship defense supplies. I'm thinking of going to attack that in either the end of this episode or I'll do it in the next one. But I'm definitely gonna go over them. I want to get all of the enemy signals around us taken care of. Okay, so I'll bring you back at the end of this, because all I'm gonna do is just weld this up. And there we go, nearly there. I think this will be the last line that I have to weld up. And then we can test it out. Definitely want to test it on this grinding ship that I still have left. It's the same ship as this. So I want to see how dangerous this thing is going to be. If parts are going to be flying everywhere or what's going to happen. And then I think we might have enough time to go and look at that enemy signal that I want to go check out. Come on, get the last ones. Then I will still have to get the walls welded up as well. Now that's gonna be the tricky part. Getting in here on an angle. Come on, getting close. How far am I from that wall? Okay, it's not gonna weld it, that's fine. So let's head back over to the other side. Want to at least get the inner wall done. Just in case they take damage. Come on, where's the end of the wall? How much steel plates do I still have left? 4,000. So hopefully I can do the full inner parts of this. Are we at the end? Yes, we are. Why does it look like the ground is falling on me? Oh my word, slow down. Don't want to break the parts like yesterday. Having to do repairs when it's not needed. Come on, am I stuck on an angle or something? Okay, then let's do it from the outside then. Nearly done. Oh, it's welding the top part as well. but not doing the bottom part. Why not? Don't be missing anything. Okay, I think that wall is a little bit too high now. No, don't get stuck on a grinder. Really want to get a better ship to do this. And one that can take a lot more material will also be very helpful. But I'm almost done. And there we go. Now it's just this top line. Come on, reach in there. Nice, almost there. I'll put some lights around this part as well, just so we can see what's going on the inside when we're busy destroying ships or whatever we capture. Those drones aren't really worth it though, but might make a small magnetic plate here at the bottom so that we can go and pick them up and drop them in here. Just to keep the clutter to a minimum. Anything that can help. And I want to make use of this pit, otherwise it's pointless building it. There we go. Last bit and then we're done. Oops, don't fly into the building. So that's our entire grinding pit. Just as big as the base. Okay, let's get this guy landed, and then I'm gonna take that grinder and test this pit. Just get this guy hooked up. Batteries on recharge, and whoops, switch off our thrusters. So let's come and grab this guy. Oh, this thing really accelerates upward. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it in first, right on top of the grinding pit. Then we'll jump out and come and set up this button over here and start them up. So I already made a group for them. Just toggle on and off, and let's test this. Oh, well, that is way too fast. Awesome. This works perfectly. That ship is gone. I want to get one of those other ones to mess about with it. Yeah, I think let me do that. I need a magnetic plate. Don't land on there. Let's see. Magnetic plate. Now I have to put it on this one. So let's disconnect it again. Wrong menu, I have to get out first. Otherwise it's pointless. Just grab it, switch it. Right here in the middle should be fine. Okay. And then we put magnetic plate over here and we just say switch lock. But I do think the auto lock is on, and that will be fine. I want to get over here and pick up some of those drones. Let's come and test this out. I'll bring them into the pit and then we switch it on and see them disappear. Whatever is left of them when they fall out of the sky. Come on, connect. Ah, there we go. So I'm not sure from what height I can drop this. Let's bring it close to the button so we can watch it. So bring it as low as I can and then just drop it. Let's go see if there's another one. Does look like they stopped dropping after I took out that station yesterday. Interesting. So this is just what's left from what was here before. It's not a lot to grind up. Sucks. It's a little bit too far, and there we go. Just a small reactor, that's nothing. Okay, get this guy dropped down. Go over it and then come and park the ship. Stop going up. Maybe I should just work on the design of the ship. Take some of the upwards thrust and change them to downwards. Or open some space and just add downwards one. I'll play around with it. And if that still doesn't work, I'll try and design my own one. Okay, switch off the light, connect. It's a little bit too high for our magnetic plate to connect there. Let's come and cut this down. It's gonna be real quick. A lot of clang flying around. Oh, you bugger. That is what I was afraid of happening. Okay, so that means I'm gonna have to add in another block over here. Let me just switch it off. Don't run around on the inside while they're working. So I'm going to have to put slope blocks all around these corners to bring them back down again. Nonetheless, that will work. Now I know what I need to do to make improvements to this to work properly. Oh, well, I don't want that and just that small piece. Yeah, so I'll just add blocks like this, not this one. Where's that other one? I think it's this. No, it's not that one. Yeah, it's this one. So I'll just place these around the corners and then make it so that it grinds down to there. Hopefully it doesn't grind up the blocks. Let me test it first. Just before I do it and look like a complete idiot there. Okay, get them welded just a little bit. Let's come and check. So it doesn't look like it's grinding them. Okay, good to know. But that I'll do off camera, that's no worries. Okay, where's my medical station? Just come and refill on oxygen. Nice, okay. Ooh, bloody door. Throwing me back. Storm is rolling in, so you can't really see much. Okay, so did I leave my hangars open? Yes, I did. Okay, let's come in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go closer to that defense supplies, and when I get there, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, and we are closing in real quick. Need to start slowing down. Okay, let's go to our camera. See what we have here. Doesn't look too big. Okay, we do have some railgun ammo. And let me get the turrets on as well. Let's see if I can start getting some thrusters down. Aim higher than normal. Oh, wow, what a hit. That looked like it did some damage. So where is this? That's 9 k's away. Where's this other one? Oh, there it is. No, that's the defense supplies. So where's the one I was just shooting at? Oh yeah, it is right in front. Looking like an idiot. Oh my god, I just shot my own ship, didn't I? Okay, that thing is dropping down. No, that's not what I want. Damn it. What's going on there with it? Where is it now? Yeah, I took out the middle part. Oh no. So this ship is going down. Let's see what's gonna stay behind when it hits the ground. Damn it. I wasn't expecting it to drop that quickly. Let's see what happens. I think it's gonna hit the ground on a massive speed and just destroy everything. Just see, where is this thing gonna hit the ground though? And down. Okay, well, it looks like it stayed intact for the most part. Okay, good, we can get some material from this, definitely. Just swing my ship around. Come on now. Okay, so now we just have to connect up to this. Weird that it doesn't have a single weapon on it. Okay, so my magnetic plate is where you can't really see it. Come on. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can connect to this ship. If I try to move the camera, you can't really see where the connection is. I think it's, yeah, it's connected. Okay, awesome. So we got it. Now it's just time to go back to base and we can throw a proper thing in that grinding pit of ours. Give it a proper workout. Okay, this thing is just gonna make me fly really slow. Let me just switch off the turrets. Not that. What's that flying over there anyway? At least the ships are starting to move around. Not just static like this one was. Back to the base we go. It will just go a little quicker. Definitely not too bad. The ship just has to slow down. I think that thing has thrusters that would help me, but since it fell down, I'm out of luck with that. I wonder if it will even fit in there. Okay, now we need to start heading down. Yeah, if there's any noise you can hear on the mic, I'm sorry for that. The neighbors are doing something there. So I have no control over that. Okay, now to get this ship in the pit, need to turn it around. A little bit more, bring it down. Come on, get it fit in there. Wonder if it will. Starting to think that it might be a little small, this bit. Too far. I want to go backwards a little bit. Some of the parts are going to be out of it. Get it as low as possible first. Okay, now we can disconnect it. Why don't I have any buttons for my magnetic plate? Not the driller one, I want the magnetic plate for this one. Switch lock 5, drop it down. Now just to reconnect our ship, then we can come and test this. Maybe I should leave it around here if we need to move it. Still got more than enough hydrogen on it, so it won't cause any problems. Just open the hangers. Okay, let's get this going. Hope it's gonna start grinding down. Really do. So let's see. No. Good thing I didn't move my ship yet. So what's preventing it from going down? Maybe this. Yeah, that kept it from going downwards. As well as those. Okay, that's not helping. It looks like it's falling more towards the outside. No, it's starting to grind. No, it just sounded that way. Okay, let's move it. Put this grinding bit to work. Okay, now I'm gonna have to be very careful. Okay, well, I can bump it. Just push down on it. Okay, now it looks like it's grinding. Ship is tilted badly. So it's still not grinding again. Okay, just throw all of the components away. Get this thing pushed downwards. Might have to move it. I think that's the case. Okay, let's go take a look. Does look like it's doing some grinding, but having a bit of a struggle there. Come on, and I want to get this ground down before anything else. Okay, I can't really see that magnetic plate all too well. I want to get it connected somewhere that I can move the ship. How about there? Can I get it? Yes, we did. Okay, good. Not the interior camera. Just move it a little bit forward. Oh my word, this camera angle. Can't I get the ship in there? It's being difficult. You know what, let's just leave it there. I'll come and grind down what I need to in order to get it start going downwards. Okay, so now I just need to connect this up over here. Just keep it straight. Don't go too far. What am I out of center? Yes. And we can connect. There we go. Put on stockpile, thrusters off. And good. Now we just have to go and get that other ship in there. So what blocks are in the way? Over here it's this. And then we've got a couple of blocks on this side by the looks of it. keeping it from going in. Okay, now it will go down a little bit more. Just don't like it sliding out. Okay, let's get this in the base first because I can't do anything. Oh, but look how slow he's running. Okay, just put everything away. Yeah, look at this. This whole thing is just tilting. Why is it not falling over this way? All of the weight should be there. Really? And now it's falling out of the pit. Gotta be kidding me. Flippin' bugger. So all of the components are in again. So now I'm gonna have to move my ship. Oh, weird. What's going on with the frame rate over here? So all of these grinders going. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. I'll just move that chip and then I'll put it back on again. Can't believe that just happened. It fell out of the pit. Seriously? Okay, let's just go up a little bit. Oh, wrong side. Just get this swing over. Just tilt it like this and then pick it up. Going to be able to, looks like it. Just get it down on this thruster over here. There we go, it's connected, okay. Then we can swing the ship back again. This camera will just work with me. Other side. Oh my word. Something was getting stuck there. So I don't think I can put it any lower than that. Did I disconnect it? I don't want to drag my ship down. No, it's locked, okay. Just unlock and just pick it up just a little bit. Just get the ship tilted right way up. No! It's gonna fall out again. Really? The ship does not want to go in this pit. Clearly not. Let's bring it over a bit more. It will go in there. I'm not gonna take no for an answer. It will go and it will be ground to pieces over here. Let's drop it down. It looks like it's in now. Okay, get the ship rotated again and just park it. Ooh, it's a good thing I changed the camera. Almost knocked that ship clean off the connector. That was a little too close. Keep switching the camera when I want to move it around. Okay, let's get this guy connected back up. Just watch that we don't hit the railgun. A little bit off center. Come on, don't be like this. Camera angles in this game sometimes. Okay, connect everything, switch it off. Okay, just open the hangers. Let's go and test this out. I have to check some of my scripts. I'm sure that's maybe causing the sim speed to drop like this. Okay, ship, here we go. See if you will be working like I want you to, or you're gonna be a problem. I think this side might be a problem. I'll just drop it in afterwards. Oh my word. My frame rate drops like crazy with that thing running. Quite interesting. So I just need to get this cut down somewhere. Yeah, I'll come and pick everything up later, don't worry. Okay, and it's done already. Oh my word. Can I bump this in? No. It's too heavy. Okay, well, that's done. Just put them off. Oh my word. Well, that made really short work of that. Spent the whole night in the previous episode just grinding down a ship. I could have done it so much easier. So grinding pit, you are really, really helpful. Just get these last pieces done. So I'll just keep in mind to maybe just cut them in half and then put them there. What's going on with the crazy low response here? Like he's running about the same speed that he walks.
Inventory full.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll empty it out now and just come and collect some more. That's all we need to do. What did we get there? Still back up again to 20,000 steel plates. That's not looking too bad. Couple of thousand. Still really low on the superconductors. Very, very low. Oh, come on. Those parts are so heavy. So freaking heavy. Oh, where am I running to? Okay, awesome. Let's get this guy cut down. Oh my word. Right on top of me. Ouch. Okay, well that's it. Oh, meteors. I was about to say, I don't think any drones will spawn again. Yeah, good. So since that salvage station is gone, there's no more drones just dropping down to the ground. Everything is good. I will just have to check what's up with my sim speed. Let's heal ourselves up. Just get everything thrown in there. And I'm gonna call it there for today. Hope you all enjoyed. Have a great day. Alpha Blazed out.